Looks like Sweetness took it. Nice job, guys. That's it, all the way.
Rest day, baby. Rest day.
And the jackrabbit's coming in next to Awesome, guys. Come on, jackrabbit, you can finish.
By like a long shot, I guess. It looks like Matt would have won.
No, I think Matt did.
He just did a lot of cleans.
What do you think was?
Nice job, bud. Thank you. Good stuff on those kettlebells.
I was scared.
All right, guys, ready for Saturday. Thank you.